Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the banner itself because nothing works without it. Once obtained, go to your profile, open Customize, and select Banner. This is where you pick the exact design. Make sure to tap Equip and save so the game records your choice. If the banner required purchase, confirm transaction first. Doing this early prevents match interruptions, and it ensures your banner appears on both lobby and post-game screens, which matters for visibility and team identity. Once done equipping, assign the banner where the system allows. Some banners can be tied to specific heroes or team slots. Go into training mode to preview how the banner shows during hero selection, loading, and after matches. This confirms positioning and visibility. If the banner can link to a skin or title, make that association now, because linked banners display more consistently. Make sure to test both portrait and landscape UI if you switch orientations, so there are no surprises in actual matches. Finish by using the banner in a real match and confirming it appears in lobby, during selections, and on the post-game screen. This final run validates everything. If the banner doesn't show, clear the game cache, relog, and re-equip the banner. Sometimes server sync or a small UI glitch blocks updates. If that fails, take screenshots and contact support with your account ID and timestamps. They can inspect server-side problems and restore proper banner visibility.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.